Scotland has been issued with a very high wildfire warning, with people being urged to be extra cautious this week. Taking to Twitter tonight, April 23, the Scottish Fire and Rescue Service, SFRS, tweeted that the issue will affect people living in the south and west of Scotland over the next 48 hours. They said, a very high wildfire warning has been issued for south and west of Scotland. The warning is in place on Wednesday 24th of April and Thursday 25th of April. People who live within or enters the area should be extra cautious and avoid naked flame outdoors. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. The warning comes amid a mixture of weather conditions over the next few days, which will increase the risk of fires. The experts explain, the key issues over the next few days are sunshine, warm air temperatures, low humidity and moderate to strong winds. During this period of high risk, fires could ignite easily, spread fast and burn with high intensity. Because of this, SFRS are now urging the public not to light up a fire outdoors. They stress, even with the best of intentions, there is still a risk that fire can spread. For example, if someone lights a fire and doesn't fully extinguish it before they leave, it can have devastating consequences. According to Fire Scotland, firefighters tackled an average of one wildfire every day across Scotland between spring and early summer last year. In addition to this, there was 133 incidents between March and June 2023, which is said to be the busiest time of the year for wildfires in Scotland. As human behavior can impact the chance of a wildfire starting, it's crucial people act safely and responsibly in rural environments, and always follow the Scottish Outdoor Access Code, they stress. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.